What are you doing? It's rained out. That.
Deck maintenance.
Here, get underneath and you see what's already fallen off. Take a peek under here. What we got?
Got the blades already ripped off. Good portion of it scraped. It's got new ones already sharpened, ready to put on. So this project is just about finished. Give her a nice blow job when we're done. This is how much
A lot.
poop grass Damien just scraped.
It was, dude. It stunk so bad when I was under there at one point. It was like ammonia and dog poop.
Anybody watching this video, take a big old spoonful of that. I'm paying out 50 bucks. 50 bucks, you gotta chew it, you gotta swallow it though.